One of the first questions I get asked at the beginning of any school year is, Ms. Gaspard, when are we gonna use clay? I know. Students just love the tactile sensation of molding the clay with their hands, but they're not often exposed to it. But if you stay tuned, we're gonna explore 2 pantry ingredients to make at-home air-dry clay. You are going to combine 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of cornstarch, and 1 1/4 cups of water. Mix all of these ingredients in a pot on the stove at medium heat. As you stir, notice that all the ingredients are going to stick together. Keep on stirring actively until it begins to clump together into one form. Once you notice the clay is sticking together firmly, transfer it to a workable surface. I'm using a cutting board. Grab a damp towel and lay it across your clay and press in to make sure that it's not exposed to air. Allow it to cool. Once it's cooled and you can comfortably touch it, you're going to work the clay and knead it. Now as I knead it, I'm pressing in and making sure that all sides are smoothing together nicely. I also press against my work surface with my palms and twist the clay to make sure that all of the exterior is getting mixed in with the interior of the clay. Once you notice that all of the clay is sticking together firmly, tear a piece off and practice using it. Roll it around in your hands. You can even try and make a little pinch pot. Roll a sphere. Make sure that you can smooth out the cracks easily. Press your thumb in the middle of the sphere and twist with your hands. If your clay is able to hold a solid shape and it's easy to manipulate, then your clay is ready. If you don't know what to do with your clay yet, you're going to transfer it to an airtight container. If you're ready to start using your clay, I'll show you how to make a small pinch pot. Have a small bowl of water ready, just in case you need to smooth out any cracks or attach any pieces. Roll a sphere, make sure that it's smooth. And then to begin your pinch pot, you're going to take your thumb and you're going to press and make a small indentation in the middle of your sphere. As you do this, you're going to twist the sphere around. And what's going to happen is the thumb inside is going to press against the 4 fingers on the outside to create even walls. Now I'm rolling it on its side just so I can have a more defined edge from the base of the pot so it will stand flat. And that's about it. Now you have a small little pinch pot. And if you stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to turn this pinch pot into various characters in my next videos.